What's going on, gangsters? Gregory Scott here. So it's a sad truth in today's world, but as we grow up and look back on our childhood, we start to see and remember things that just aren't what they seem to be. We all remember that scene from The Lion King when Mufasa is hanging on the cliff for dear life and he's saying, "Brother, help me." But we all know what happens next.
Scar! Brother, help me!
Long live the king.
Looking back now, being smarter and wiser, it's clear all Mufasa had to do was a muscle up. He could have helped himself. Sadly, it's too late for Mufasa, but if you're ever in a situation where you need to do a muscle up, I want you to be ready. Today we're going to cover one of the final elements for building a good clean muscle up, and that's building transitional strength. Let's get to it. Here's what we know about the muscle up. There are 4 elements that must come together in order to make the movement beautiful. Explosive pull-ups, straight bar dips, transitional strength, and once that's all set, with timing and technique, everything will be brought together. In this video, we're going to look at building transitional strength. A lot of people have strong explosive pulls and good straight bar dips, but generally, the part of the movement that lacks is making that transition on top of the bar. If this is you or you haven't been able to get your muscle up and you're wondering why, no worries. There's actually certain skill and strength that needs to be developed in order to get on top of the bar, and of course, we'll cover it. What is transitional strength? How fast and efficient you can move from one movement to another, optimized with good form. In this case, the transition is a pull into a straight bar dip. To build up transitional strength for muscle up, I recommend that you focus on 2 different movements. The first movement is a Russian dip. I made a full tutorial and breakdown on this movement, so be sure to check that out. The second movement, which we'll cover in this video, is a muscle up negative. Between Russian dips, straight bar dips, muscle up negatives, and explosive pull-ups, if you train smart and consistently, you'll have your muscle up in no time. Alright, so now let's get to the good stuff. A muscle up negative is simply starting on top of the bar and then lowering yourself slow and controlled to a hanging position. A negative is simply the reverse of any movement. This can be done with a push up, pull up, front lever, and in this case, a muscle up. Doing a negative allows us to go through the full range of motion and also to start to feel the near full intensity of the movement. It may look simple to just drop below the bar, but the muscle up negative is actually a challenging and technical movement if done correctly. If done incorrectly, you won't make any true progress, and worse, you can injure yourself. So remember that a muscle up negative is just a reverse of a muscle up. We can break it up into 3 parts: the lowering of the straight bar dip, the reverse transition, and then the reverse pull up. Lowering in the straight bar dip and pull up are easy. The grind comes whenever we go through that transition. Here's how a good muscle up negative looks. Now here a variation of ugly muscle up transitions that you won't progress with and that will injure you. If you love me, let me go. If you love me, let me go. Let's now look at the differences and key points to focus on. In the good muscle up negative, you can see that as I come under the bar, my elbows stay nice and tucked into my body. For all the pulling movements in calisthenics, you want to act like you're breaking the bar in half and create that good external rotation. This lets you use your lats the most efficiently and allows you to have that good strength control. If your elbows are flaring out during the movement, not only are you not able to perform the movement as well, but you're also setting yourself up to be injured. Key point number 1 is breaking the bar in half and creating that good external rotation for the whole duration of the movement. Key point number 2 is strength control, which will come as a result of focusing on the first key point. Again, let's look at 2 examples of different muscle up negatives. In the first example, you saw it during the whole negative I was controlled, coming down all the way into this hollow body position. In the second, you see that I just dropped with no strength control. This is the quickest way to injure yourself. When performing the muscle up negative, you want to be in control during the whole movement. Like mentioned earlier, the straight bar dip portion of the movement will be easy. What's going to be challenging to control at first is that transition, staying tight, and learn control at your hanging position while maintaining hollow body. To practice this, we can do tempo muscle up negatives. From the top of the bar to the bottom, we're going to lower at a controlled pace. We'll use 6 seconds for this example. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Doing this will help you develop technique and strength control for the movement. Again, here are the key points to focus on. Break the bar in half as you lower under it and stay tight during the transition as you lower to hanging while maintaining hollow body. Lastly, don't forget to breathe. All it is a matter of practice, mindful smart training, and consistency. If you continue to work and drill these, you'll have your muscle up in no time. Alright gangsters, so whoop, there it is. We covered straight bar dips, we covered explosive pull-ups, we covered muscle up negatives, and we covered Russian dips. All that's left is putting it all together, which we'll cover next video. Alright, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Keep getting that 1% better each day, physically, mentally, most importantly, spiritually. And as always, have a gameful day. We're supposed to pull up, 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 we're supposed to pull ups.
I've been through hell and back and the flow still cold.